Our motto: quality and service. Our products in 1.1 kV low voltage, 3.3 to 33 kV high voltage, power and control cables, industrial flexible cables, domestic cables. Our vision: we envisage to deliver products of highest quality and at the same time ensuring utmost customer satisfaction with prompt and personalized service through our own countrywide marketing and distribution network. Our company: Gloster Cables Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Gloster Cables Limited was incorporated in 1995 with Fort Gloster Industry Limited as one of the equity participants. Not only have we inherited the Gloster brand name, but also the highly acclaimed manufacturing standards of Fort Gloster Industries. Since then, Gloster Cables Limited has been climbing up the ladder of excellence, moving towards excellence. 1995, Incorporation of Gloster. 1998, ISO 9001-2008 certification. 1998, installation of in-house PVC compounding plant. 1999, introduction of XLPE as insulation medium. 2002, establishment of a dedicated conductor manufacturing facility. 2004, introduction of HT Cyoplast facility. 2005, massive capacity expansion with state-of-the-art production and testing facility and opening of Unit 2. 2010, introduction of flexible and domestic cables. 2012, massive capacity expansion in domestic and flexible cables. Gloster Cables Limited is located on the National Highway 7, about 35 kilometers from Secunderabad. The plant is situated in an area of 41,000 square meters divided into two manufacturing units. The built-up area of Unit 1 is 10,000 square meters, while the Unit 2 occupies 13,000 square meters of built-up area. The infrastructure and the production facilities in the plant are designed to meet the client expectations and also the international standards. We at Gloster Cables believe in delivering quality products and in providing prompt and efficient services to the clients. Hence, we never compromise on the quality of raw materials. We ensure that all raw materials are sourced from those vendors who have passed through the stringent vendor selection process, no matter what the quoted price is. We import cross-linked polyethylene insulating compound from Dow Chemicals, specially for the manufacture of 33 kV grade high voltage cables. Gloster Cables has an impressive product range. We produce 1.1 kV grade PVC and cross-linked polyethylene single and multi-core low voltage power and control cables, and 3.3 to 33 kV grade cross-linked polyethylene single and multi-core power cables. In addition, we also manufacture special application cables such as copper conducting cables for both low and high voltage, industrial flexible cables, aerial bunched cables for both high and low voltage, airport lighting cables, cables for other special applications. We have a long list of clients. Both the units of the plant are installed with the latest and state-of-the-art equipment like wire drawing machines, annealing furnace, stranding and bunching machines, PVC and cross-linked polyethylene extruders, spark testing machines, laying up machines, armoring machines, PVC Outer Sheath, cable rewinding machines. In order to ensure quality, low voltage cables will have to pass through a series of tests, namely routine tests, type tests and acceptance tests. Conductor resistance test and high voltage tests are known as routine tests. Type tests are carried out on samples drawn from every production lot to check whether all parameters are in conformity with IS specifications. Acceptance tests are conducted in the presence of the external inspecting authorities to get their approval. We produce our low voltage cables with PVC and cross-linked polyethylene insulations. All the cables produced by Gloster have ISI certifications. PVC as insulating and sheathing material is very strong and resistant to water, oils and chemicals. PVC black compound can resist ultraviolet degradation. Cross-linked polyethylene as insulation material has certain advantages like low on dielectric loss, high power rating, resistant to moisture, chemicals and corrosive gases. It also has the capacity to withstand localized temperatures. The power cables are made from pure aluminium and the control cables are made from annealed high conductivity copper. All conductors conform to the IS 8130 standard. High-quality PVC base compound is used for insulating power cables and high-quality cross-linked polyethylene compound is used for insulation of XLPE cables. Multi-core cables are laid up as per the color scheme and the interstices are filled up if needed to make the cables cylindrical. All cables with 2 or more cores are provided with a common cover called inner sheath made of PVC compound or thermoplastic. Multi-core cables are provided with armoring, which is made up of galvanized raw steel wire over the inner sheath. Outer sheath is extruded over the armoring. This is always black in color to resist the outdoor exposure. Cables with more than 5 cores will have 2 adjacent cores, blue and yellow, and the remaining cores in grey. We manufacture control cables up to 61 cores. Tested and proven cables packed in wooden drums are supplied to the clients. Special drums are also supplied if required by the client. Gloster Cables manufactures high-voltage cables with cross-linked polyethylene insulation. Compared to PVC, cross-linked polyethylene has excellent thermal properties which make it ideal material for high-voltage cable insulation. Our high-voltage cables have high continuous current rating, high short-circuit rating and high emergency load capacity. The conductors are made from EC-grade stranded aluminum wires. Both insulation and insulation shielding are accomplished in a single operation using a special process. In case of multi-core cables, cores are stranded together and provided with a common covering of plastic tape wrapping. Galvanized steel wire armoring is provided over the inner sheath. A tough outer sheath of heat-resistant PVC compound as per IS 5831 is extruded over the armoring. The core identification complies with the requirements of IS 7098. For quality assurance, the high-voltage cables also pass through type and routine tests in accordance with IS 7098. Every length of high-voltage cable manufactured by us shall pass through the conductor resistance test, partial discharge test and high voltage test.
Keeping in tune with the expectations and catering to the multitude of customers from every nook and corner, Gloster Cables Limited takes pride in unveiling yet another cherished product. Triple layer FR-LSH PVC insulated single core unsheathed industrial flexible cable with the latest state-of-the-art triple extrusion technology to provide end users the safest and cost-effective cable which bears the single brand value of the company that borders on safety. Quality and service remain the eternal guiding forces. We strive to deliver and live up to our governing force. Safety is not expensive, it is priceless. Gloster Cables places specific thrust on conductor and insulation, the two most critical components of the industry. Our domestic wires are manufactured from bright electrolytic grade copper with higher than 99.97% purity. Our bunched conductor has no joints. Hence, there is no possibility of hot spots, localized heating and consequent insulation deterioration. Our wires are manufactured with Class 5 design of conductor, which is highly flexible, easier in handling, like drawing through conduits, and has stress-free termination. Superior grade FRLS PVC compound, denoting excellence, is not only made in-house but also used for insulation of Gloster industrial cable wires. The triple-layer FRLSH PVC insulated single-core unsheathed flexible cable is a true blue product and comes at particularly crucial time for the domestic market. The first layer of HR FRLSH insulation over the conductor ensures that the insulation can withstand much higher temperatures, overloading, and avoids fire risks. Due to the special first layer, our wires can handle temperatures beyond 70 degrees centigrade continuously and 105 degrees centigrade peak. FRLSH insulation. The second layer is a thicker cover for the HR FRLSH insulation. It restricts the spread of flames. In effect, it almost wipes out any possibility of smoke, toxic and corrosive fumes. There is virtually no possibility of the occurrence of any such hazards. The third layer is a specifically formulated FRLSH compound which is abrasion resistant. This serves dual purposes. It guarantees crystal clear color identification apart from ensuring total safety. There is no mixing of insulation with color pigment in the third layer. Hence, insulation dielectric remains intact and strong. Perfect stripping or crimping due to our perfectly round conductor and uniform insulation thickness ensures no strands get cut while stripping. Our product has ruthless and rigorous testing at every stage of manufacturing to produce the highest possible quality product at every stage of manufacturing. Triple layer FRLSH PVC insulated single core unsheathed industrial flexible cable revolves round crucial parameters: heat resistant, flame retardant, low smoke, low halogen. Thereby, customer satisfaction is guaranteed threefold. Your dream home and happy family are very precious. Safety is not expensive. It is priceless.
We are planning to add some new products to our range like elastomeric insulated cables, mining cables, extra high voltage cables, turnkey cabling projects. Our endeavor always is to deliver products of excellent quality backed by efficient and prompt services. Our dedicated branch offices spread across India in places like Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Vadodara and Vizag ensure that our customers are provided with the requisite services. This is not just a rhetoric. These words are fully backed by our strengths: sophisticated machinery, triple line extrusions for high voltage cables, in-house production of PVC compounds. We manufacture our conductors with uni-lay unidirectional process for better compactness, in-house facility for quality assurance tests, inspection and testing at every stage of production, 1000 kVA DG set for uninterrupted power supply. Above all, a band of employees who are highly motivated, whose morale is always at a high point, and who have the grit and determination to achieve difficult targets. That is about us, of course, very briefly. Want to know more? Please visit our website www.glostercable.com. You can always contact us on 040-2753-4985 or 86. Thank you.